it's Sam here on another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays, and today we're talking about brochures that win high value instructions. And if you've been following me for a while, you'll know this is very, very close to my heart. So I'm going to give you the 5 elements that go into making a beautiful brochure. I'm going to show you the brochures and I'm going to tell you what the fees were for these particular homes. So let's go straight into number 1, images. We do lots of different kinds of images, but they've got to be of the absolute highest quality. Just professional photography is not enough now for a high value home, it just won't cut it. So we do lifestyle images, we do drone, we do twilight, we do drone twilight where we can, not always possible, and we also do local images as well. So all those images go into the brochure to make the brochure feel more substantial and really represent the house as well as the area. Number 2, copy. We use a professional copywriter. The copywriter will call the client and she will talk to the client for anything up to an hour or more and get the absolute essence of the house from them, their stories, their nostalgia, where they like to walk, go to the pub, those kind of things. They love to talk to her. They'll talk to her all day if they could, and as much of that copy as can be goes into the brochure. And the copywriter writes it for us so it feels just much more professional. Number 3, branding. I've covered this on another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday, so look out for that. We'll try and remember to link to it in the notes. But that's where things like the house gets its own special branding for that particular brochure, and that will then be echoed on the board too. Design. Obviously the design of the brochure is of utmost importance, so what goes on what page, in what order. We don't use anything templated, it's all completely bespoke to that house. We might find some layouts we particularly like, we might come back to those layouts in the future, but really every single brochure page is unique to that home, the copy and the images as well. And then obviously the format, so I've got 3 to show you. This is just an A4. I love going bigger than A4, but you can't get envelopes to fit them, so that can be an issue for us. So we tend to not go above A4. We try and do unusual sizes, so slightly below an A4 is a nice size, or like this one is an unusual sort of slightly above A5, but it's longer as well. So that's a really nice format. I should have probably found out the dimensions for you, but if you want to know them, message me and I'll find out for you. And this one here is a 210 square, nice square brochure. You can get envelopes to fit these quite easily. These tend to go into an A4, but the formats are lovely and they're all bespoke again to the house and to the owner. We talk to the owner about them quite a lot. So we try and represent the house in the format of the brochure. So it's really important that we differentiate ourselves with Ashdown Jones in our area, and perhaps it's important for you to differentiate yourself in your area too. And to give you an example of what these fees were for these particular 3 houses, and 1 sold and 2 are still for sale. That one is £7,275 fee. This one is £8,250 fee, and that is a £17,500 fee. Was it worth doing the brochure? Absolutely it was. Now, brochures is something that we can do for you underneath our unique and exclusive brand. So if you'd like to know more about that, let us know. It is exclusive to areas, so if you'd like to know if your area is still available and register your interest for your area, then let me know and we can register you and we can make sure you get a call so we can talk you through exactly what we provide under our unique and exclusive brand, which gives you amazing property branding to enable you to win these high value homes instructions and these kind of fees too. If you're not following me on these platforms, please go and do that now. On Facebook and on YouTube, you'll find me under Marketing Magic, and on LinkedIn, Sam Ashdown, and of course my website, samashdown.co.uk, where you'll find a fantastic blog that talks lots and lots and lots about winning high value home instructions with your brand, your positioning, and your beautiful brochures. So that's me, Sam Ashdown. I'll see you on the next episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays. Bye for now.